made it just for you too.
Oh, Tina, they
I
sang.
love your new Woodpecker, so I'm inviting
Oh,
you.
Christina, let's get picture.
And you're my new future.
Christina, go get the picture. Thank you. Oh my God. Christina, get the picture. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we can take it for you if you want to use it.
Oh, it's only for her that I don't want to get the picture. Christina, get the picture that was for you. Both of them.
Come on this way. Sure. Do you want to jump in there? It's good for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Always high time.
Got it.
Now you got the good movies to play.
Oh, kiss. Oh, Woody. Look at you.
I didn't know that you have that.
And you too.
Okay.
It's your birthday.
Yay, happy birthday. Yeah, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Christina. Happy birthday to you. Woo.
How do you like my drawings?
Oh,
Good.
they're amazing. Perfect.
Easily, in case he comes to sneak up on me trying to nap me. Like he got Princess Salami.
Yeah.
Oh,
So when he used to
you get the video? Yeah.
Oh, double kiss.
Everything in the
Yay.
How old are you turning? I'm gonna be 24.
Wow, 24. Yay.
She's ready to party.
Yeah.
Gets freaked out the
You
way
too?
they go. I was saying, I know I hate saying this. Everybody gets surprised that they thought I looked younger. When I
You
say
too.
I'm adult.
Yeah, you thought she was younger, Winnie? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Winnie, I think we should get your hair that color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We do a poppy style?
It's Princess. I'm
Princess
a human
Poppy.
person, a Princess Poppy.
Yeah, Princess Poppy.
You two are so kind. And Woody, I think you're way better than Wally was. The one I find him is that dirty shirt I see. And you are much better than him.
All right. Kisses. Yeah, she says it perfectly.
got it.
She's got it down.
I love the new Woody Woodpecker show, which I've been watching it for weeks.
Nice.
Which I find it like, and Winnie's he's so smart and pretty.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, look, they're dancing.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Say hi.
I think it must be going.
Oh.
Oh.
All right. Oh, Winnie wants a turn too. Yeah, there you go. All right.
Poppy also gave us one more gift for you.
Oh, Christina, they're gonna give you something. Look at that.
Poppy and Branch gave me something. They
Wow.
wanted me to give it to you. She colored this just for you. Yeah. Because she saw your dress and she
You
really
mean
liked it.
Poppy saw me?
Yeah, she saw you.
Right now over there.
So this one you can add to your scrapbook. She made a copy so that she can keep one of her scrapbooks. And then this is another one that you can put on your wall if you want.
Yeah.
Say thank you for the gift, Christina.
Thank you for the gifts. I really love them so much.
Yes.
And
If you see Poppy again, you can
and
give
you
her
can
more hugs.
you can put that in
And
your
especially
Facebook
told
account.
Poppy that I'm her human twin fan.
I know,
Yeah.
see, that's really cool. She never meets human twins.
Tell that in your Facebook
What do you want me to say about Facebook?
about the universal.
Okay. What do you want me to say? The Facebook. Sorry.
Give it to me.
But I can post them on Facebook with autographs on them, so I can trust it'll be the most trustable memories forever. Like I can never stop watching.
Poppy will love it. It'll just be like her scrapbook. She'll look through it and be like, look, this is on your...
I wish I could teach that. That's an art and craft.
Do you like glitter?
Of course I like glitter. Of course, like I said, I'm an artist that loves to draw and learn how to do arts and crafts.
You really are Poppy.
Thanks. More like a human Poppy.
Yeah. See, we need human poppies in the world.
Yeah, that's why everybody calls me Poppy. But they thought I was a Princess Poppy troll turns into a human, so she can get inside the human world and say hello
No,
and make
it's
friends.
more than her birthday.
Yeah.
I'm very
She's here to
happy.
add some more sparkle to the world.
Yes.
That's what I feel like I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna figure out how to put
Are you
glitter
sure they're not
effect
gonna
once
film
before I
this and
upload
then
them
they
on
put it on
Facebook.
Facebook?
I'm gonna figure out. I'm good with Photoshop.
They're gonna
I'm a
know
graphic
everything.
designer.
Just be all sparkles.
That's
pretty
right.
good.
You
Yeah.
know it.
Even outside.
I like it.
Okay. Grip hug.
Can I join in?
Sure.
So that's the boy and this is the girl.
Yes.
She's
Yeah.
Weenie. She's Weenie and he's Woody.
Okay. You can see in the shoes.
And I appreciate that you love
You
it.
like the
You
headband?
guys got matching
Oh, your
sparkles on your little headbands.
sparkle.
We just gotta add a little more flowers to it.
I know. At least it's a
Look,
pricey
look at you.
flower.
You got your sparkles. You're dressed. You're ready.
I really like the vest you're wearing, Woody, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah. I imagine you. I think you deserve more awards than that turkey Wally Warren.
There it
I
is.
never liked him.
Yeah.
Let's get it right. Put it in writing. We'll give Woody
Yeah.
all the awards.
I
Yeah.
say, like, not only Wally I don't like, even the Buzz Buzzer, he's a nasty buzzer that I ever seen.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And Scabby
So
is
true.
no good when Buzz doing something bad to a crook.
Yeah.
But Woody's better.
Winnie too.
Yeah, we can't forget winning.
Yeah, and you're super smart enough just to outsmart Buzz, dude. Thanks.